Okay, so today we're going to be working example 2A. Going to try to squeeze in 2B, and if I don't go over my time limit, then I'm going to try the number 6. If not, we'll break it up into two videos. All right, so example 2A, if you'll do me a favor, put me on pause, go to 6.2 and read 2A. Okay, so if you read 2A, we have a situation where Paul wants to take out a newspaper ad. Walks into the office, person says it'll be $10 for the first two lines and $3 for each additional line. So let's pretend Paul walks in, they tell him it's $10 for the first two lines. He turns around and walks out. Did he buy any lines? No, so he didn't have to pay the $10. So you do have to consider 0, 0 as a viable option. What does that help us do? It helps us identify which one is the dependent variable and which one is the independent variable. Okay, so independent variables are in charge, and dependent variables depend on the independent variable happening. So if you walk in and you don't buy any lines, well, then the lines are controlling how much money you pay. So lines of text are independent, and that, of course, is your X variable. Now, you walk in, you buy two lines, you pay $10. That means cost is your Y variable. Therefore, we have a ordered pair. So $2, or excuse me, two lines cost $10. So we have a point. Well, now we think about it and we say, well, now every time I buy an additional line, it's $3. So if I buy one line, it's 3, two lines, it's 6, three lines, it's 9. Well, it seems to be that's a slope. So as we already know, if we have only one point, then we have x1 and y1. We have our slope, so we are allowed to use our point slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m, and x minus x1, where we're going to plug in our slope, and we're going to plug in our, trying to change the color here, let's see, our x's along with our y's. There we go. So that's everything we need to go ahead and take care of now. So let's do it and see what happens. So we're going to do y minus, well, y1 is 10 equals, the slope is 3, x minus, well, x1 is 2. So we got everything we need. Well, let's go ahead and get rid of parentheses. So y minus 10 equals 3x minus 6. Now what we want to do is we want to stop and say, okay, well, right now this is the point slope form. Actually, I guess I went too far because this is point slope form. But I just know what we're going to do next, which is take that and change it to slope intercept form. So let's not do this yet. And basically what they want us to do now is they want us to say, okay, now I want to know what is y when x is equal to 8 lines. Well, here we go. Y minus 10 equals 3, 8 minus 2. And let's take care of business. That would be y minus 10 equals 20. Well, actually, 8 minus 2 is 6. So that would be 18. Let's just do it that way because I know the book didn't. So, you know what? Whatever. Okay, and where's my color? 18. Negative 10 changes to a positive 10. Positive 10. So y is now equal to 28. So cost $28 for 8 additional lines. Okay, so there we go. Cost of 8 additional lines. Now, just because I am the way I am, want to kind of plant the seed as to where this is going. So let me take you on a quick little detour. And I want to go Well, it's not going to let me do it, so let me see. Might have to do this old school. There you go. Notice it was y equals, what was it, 28? Yeah, y equals 28. Watch this. So I'm going to change y to f of x to be a function. And I'm going to set f of x equals to 28. Okay. Let's just do y equals 28. Y equals 28, because we should get the same result, although I kind of like the f of x a little bit better. Notice what happens. I don't know if you could see this, but the line, which is the cost, oops, I can't draw this one, so the line at y-axis is cost. And when I plugged in 8, it crosses right here at 28. So that is where y equals 28. So just like I said, food for thought. Okay, I'm running out of time because my videos have to be less than like 9 minutes each. So I'll return with another video on example 2b.